Hi YouTube fans, today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade lava lamp. So what you're going to need is a clear glass or bowl, and you're going to need vegetable oil, food coloring, and water, and Alka-Seltzer. Alka-Seltzer. First we're going to add our vegetable oil. And our second step is we need to hold our water in it and dump it. Ready? Good. Next step is to put our food color in. We can do whichever color we want. I chose blue because it's my favorite color. Dump it in now.
Maybe do a couple more.
How many more? 2.
Just a couple. Okay.
Next step is to put our Elsa's fin in and watch what it's doing. Wow, watch what it's doing. Can I touch it?
No, you can't touch it, but you can bend down and look at it. Look what it's doing.
I know.
What do you think about it?
Cool. But how we add all the stuff in?
Yeah, that's what. Look at all the bubbles go up and down.
Can we put it in a jar to keep?
No, it'll run out after. It'll stop.
I really
look how
want
cool it
more
is.
stuff. Can I really want to touch it? I can't.
Oh, look, it's already stopping. That was pretty cool, hey?
I'm going to put more Elsa sauce in.
I don't know if another one will work.
It might. Let's check. Let's try it. Let me just put it in. Oh, can we do a YouTube video of this?
It's cool. Think he'll do it again? Oh yeah, look at that. Cool.
Can I really want to touch it? Or else it'll run out.
What do you think about it?
Cool. It has all so many bubbles. Wow, watch what it's doing. It's super cool. There's dark blue in it too. Splash me.
Cool.
I really want to touch it. So that's how you make a homemade lava lamp. And I hope you liked my video. Stay tuned for the next one. Bye!